Do it as a passenger eject. No, I need the passenger eject button on mine right here. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I made it crooked.
When she starts complaining.
I can start over.
When she starts doing woman.
Hold on. When I start what?
Doing the typical woman thing. The.
What's up, Brite Nation?
What's going on, Brite Nation?
Kevin, what are you doing to the Ultra 4 car? Why are you taking it apart?
We're about to go play in some really big rocks, and so I'm taking off the door panels so I don't smash them.
That
is a lie.
Is a lie. That's not what we're doing.
I am taking off the door panels because we need access to these wore-out freaking Sparkos that are old and dirty and have no butt padding. And don't match the car.
We have a huge surprise for you guys, and actually it is in fact a huge surprise for us as well, because we have not even seen the contents of the box that we're about to show you. So it's going to be like you guys are joining us for Christmas in October, because we got a present and it's about to go in the old sport car.
What are you doing? Just drag the box.
I am. It's heavy.
It's not heavy. That box weighs like 10 pounds maybe.
Okay. Ta-da! So, little did y'all know, we gave you a huge clue when we installed all of our sponsor decals on the Ultra 4 car. You might see that one right there, the PRP one, and you guys might have been thinking, well, there's nothing PRP on this Ultra 4 car.
Oh, well.
Oh yeah, true.
That's PRP.
There's nothing else PRP on the Ultra 4 car yet, until today. So we've been working with PRP to have them custom design us a set of super rad racing seats that will go with the super rad livery of Child's Play. And we're gonna unbox it today. We haven't looked at it yet, so you guys are gonna see them with us.
I cut it open so we didn't have to go through that, but like, cut, and open. Oh look, they're plastic.
It's all plastic. No, for real though. I see blue and yellow. Y'all are gonna see the front of it before I do. What's it look like? I'm not looking.
It looks like it's blue.
Dude! Oh my god!
Wish it was sunny out.
That looks so rad!
Let's see, so they went dark blue here.
With the light blue
on the inside.
Yellow stitching. So these are their alpha seats, and oh my god, and they look like they're gonna fit me really well also, because the seats that are in there are like double XL, and I just get thrown around the seats. And this should not just make the ride way more comfortable, but it should also keep me more secure in the vehicle.
Well, they come with super plush. Oh, I should show you what we actually have in the Ultra 4 car right now. I mean, it doesn't matter that it's old and torn, but look at this padding.
Look at that.
There's nothing here. This is like literally sitting on just
cardboard.
Yeah, there's no padding here. Where? Look how thick that is. That
Dude,
is.
It's super plush.
Yeah, that is. Anyway, I'm super excited about that because that race we did with this, we can light that on fire. Alright, so 4 bolts, we get to pull it out. This dirty old war Sparko. Does anybody want a race seat? 2 race seats? So we're gonna hope that these are the same width down here and that the bolt holes are the same for the bracket. But luckily, look at this bracket. There's actually holes everywhere. So it looks
pretty universal.
I'm hoping it looks very universal. So, moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Oh, they're taller. Well, there we go. We're done. Get in, Brite.
That's how
There it goes. There she goes.
Okay.
Oh my God, hold on though. Dude, that looks so rad.
Yeah, but they don't fit. Unfortunately, they don't fit. Just kidding, I was wrong. I just didn't have it sitting in there right.
Kevin forgot that we can lift up this back so that it doesn't recline as much.
Yeah, no,
and
we're
it
good.
Fits.
I think we're good.
It actually should fit exactly. It should bolt up exactly where the old seats did, actually.
It looks like it.
Oh my God!
Little bit.
There. It looks so good. Oh, in case everyone was wondering, don't worry. We got harnesses on the way as well. They're just not here yet, but we couldn't wait to install the seats. So you'll have another surprise, a Christmas in November soon.
I think we do need to move it forward though.
Do you want to move it because
I think
you want
so.
to, or?
No, because I think this does sit further back. I think, because I don't know. We'll need to sit in it because my seat sits exactly where I need it for the pedals.
Yeah. Well.
So your seat, it's good. Yours can be all the way back because you're.
Well, how about this? Just get a bolt in the holes. You don't got to screw it down yet, and then I'll sit in it and we'll gauge it from there.
Yeah. So I need you to sit down in it and see if you can still grab the handlebars that we moved. Those do look good.
I don't want to step on that beautiful clean seat.
You're gonna have to get used to that.
Nope. I'm gonna step beyond it. I don't want to get it dirty yet.
Is it tighter for you though?
Oh yeah.
Can you grab the handlebar still?
Better than I could before.
What?
Better.
Really?
Than I could before. Yeah. Like even after like moving from the last seats, I
Maybe
think
because there's more cushion.
I think the padding is just that much nicer and thicker.
Okay.
Like I've got solid.
Well, it looks good.
I like how the cushion is shaped
Yeah, it keeps.
for my legs.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Do
Your
you
turn.
want to move it a notch forward while we're here doing it?
So
It
you're
would
close.
give you an extra half an inch. We can move the whole bracket forward.
That way you're
one
you're a
notch.
little bit closer to
Yeah.
holding onto the
We could
handlebars.
do maybe a half inch closer.
wanna do one? Okay,
Yeah,
let's
just
move
like
it.
one.
Let's
one.
just do
yeah.
it.
Okay, so we're gonna move the actual brackets forward. The seats are fine, they fit, but Brittany's always had a little bit of a hard time grabbing onto the handles here without, she was fully locked out and her feet don't exactly hit the front of the
I
floor
mean, they
there.
do,
So.
just not super secure. So
Yeah, it's just gonna be a little bit more comfortable for Brittany's seat position.
So we're essentially just going to move this bracket forward. So it was bolted to that hole. We're going to shift it forward, bolt it to that hole. And then we're going to have to probably drill a new hole
Okay.
back in because we were already on the last hole there. So, but shift it forward. And then this side should be pretty easy to shift forward too.
There's a passenger eject. No, I need the passenger eject button on mine right here. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I made it crooked.
When
didn't
she
I?
starts
That's fine.
I
complaining,
can start over.
when she starts doing woman,
Hold
right
on.
out
When
there.
I start what?
Doing the typical woman thing, the
Okay, so that is better. Look, I'm flat-footed now.
flat-footed with your knees bent slightly,
Yeah, so I can actually
and
put
what about
pressure.
your arms?
I still got to bend in my elbow. So it's nice.
So you feel much better?
Yeah, no, that's super nice.
I mean, it did move up, which is weird because we barely moved it, and it moved up quite a bit. There's like
Yeah.
a gap behind you. Sorry to anybody that wants a ride now. Sorry to any big person that wants a ride. You're not gonna fit.
This is my seat.
I know.
It's my seat.
I mean, if you can fit, if you sit, you fit, or
If
something.
it fits, it ships.
Something like that.
Something
All right,
like
can I
that.
put my driver's seat in now?
Yeah, you can,
Okay.
I guess. Luckily for Kevin, we're leaving his seat exactly where the brackets are. We're going to bolt it in as it is because he has his set for his feet, just the way he prefers it.
Did you show him something super cool? Look how much bigger the holes are here than the Sparkos. So the whole buckle.
This
Look at that.
seatbelt fit through
Boom.
so easy.
Look at
It
that.
took us forever to figure out how to get it out of the Sparker because the
Look at
Sparker
that.
holes are like just
Sparkos
tiny.
are super tiny. So
Alright, I'll bolt it in before you worry with the seatbelts though.
thanks, Perp.
Welcome. Welcome. on the brand new clean seats. They're Jelly Belly approved.
Are they?
Dude, they look so rad. Dude.
They might be comfy too.
They're pretty freaking comfortable. They're pretty comfortable, Jelly Bean. Do you want to go for a ride? No, not in the Ultra 4 car. But they are, dude, they fit surprisingly well. I think we may still need to play with the brackets a little bit because to get them sitting perfectly vertical.
Whoever did the brackets before, like, it's never been really sat right.
Yeah, it's kind of a little off. But again, that's what happens when you're putting because they're not PRP brackets.
See, we can't go too far over right here, otherwise I won't be able to get into high.
Oh yeah.
See, that's
so we have to play with the seating position. Mine's actually perfect. I like mine a lot. Kevin might need to play with his a little bit just to get it sitting exactly how he wants. But it's going to be more the brackets. But luckily, the seats actually went in super duper easy compared to what we thought it was going to be. So it's nice that they at least bolted up pretty quickly.
yeah.
So it shouldn't be too hard to play around with, and we'll probably actually wait to do that until December when we do a full teardown and rebuild of the Ultra 4 car itself. But guys, ta-da!
Hey, don't forget, you guys can get on PRP's website and design your own seats.
Yeah,
this isn't like a Lite Brite only thing.
They're fully customizable in colors and colors and colors and stitching colors and more colors and all the different types of materials as well. As you can see, we have perforated down here, so you can have your own seats designed however you want. Mm-hmm. But these, the only thing that they're missing are super rad harnesses.
Wink, wink. Wait. Wink, wink, PRP. Wink,
guys,
wink.
as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch at LiteBriteStudios.com. All your Lite Brite Nation decals at PixelDecals.com. We love you so much, and we will see you next time.
Later, guys. Hold on. My nut fell on my chin.
It's such a fun day.
Let me pretend I'm getting in. Alright.
Oh, she's gonna pretend she's getting in.
Stupid.
She's not gonna really get in. She's just
I'm
pretending.
just saying, let me get back out so I can get back in for footage. God dang it. I'm gonna punch you.
You're
right
literally
in the
getting in the car. You're not pretending at all.
Anyways, alright, we're gonna test it.
It's almost. That's pretty close.
Try not to suck, Kevin.
Yeah.